Hola.
Okay.
Bom dia.
Bom dia. Time to work. Time to work.
What are we doing? So we're down here mixing the cement, 5-to-1, sand to cement, and we're going to be fixing the Levada, and a bit runny, it's sunny.
That's how you mix the thing. You make it homogeneous, like well mixed.
Like a what?
Very well mixed it.
Yeah.
When everything is the same color, all grey.
Yeah.
Not 50 shades.
It's like making a cake,
Just
right?
one shade.
It's like making Christmas pudding.
Yeah, when you mix the sugar and the flour, it has to be.
Not similar to cooking, is it?
Do you want me to have a go? So we're 5-to-1 mixture, cement, sand cement, made of volcano.
5 sand, 1 cement.
What would you say, because we're putting this cement near water, what should we do with this mortar? It's going to be near water, so what do you think therefore we should do? Make the mix a bit drier.
Drier mix.
Yeah.
And also it's very
That's
damp
why
there.
I didn't drop the whole lot.
We want it slightly because it will absorb water, and
Yeah.
also if it rains, it will absorb a shower.
A bit dry, yeah.
Mash seco que é normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say again, mash
Mash seco que é normal. More drier than normal.
Mash seco que é normal.
That's the water in the bucket. Needs more. No, not a lot, but a bit more.
If we make it too wet, we can just add a bit more cement and sand. It's not fatal if you make it too wet.
Not rocket science. I think it's good. You might not need to do the rest of the water.
It's not a deal breaker. No, that's good.
And I'm wearing my tiger trousers to make me fierce.
Leopard.
Well, leopard, tiger, whatever. It's leopard, yeah, I never know. Is it okay though?
So if I put it in like that, it's better for the flat surface. But I don't like that sloping out face, you know. I want to put it in like that. So it's we call it a batter.
Yeah.
It's battered back. So what I'm going to do now, and what I did was I put more mortar at the back, because look, this is like a wedge shape. So we're going to put that in like that. That is really ideal. With that hammer, look, that's the hammer.
Yeah. Another one. Good. Need to wash it as well. Hammer.
So that's like the foundation, one big one at the bottom fits the gap really well, and we'll put new ones around it, smaller ones.
Interestingly, this was always this is a Levada. This is a drain coming from that building. It's redundant now. So they built this.
Oh, that was a channel, drain channel anyway.
Well, that's all right.
Nice.
Okay. That's why we wear little gloves, just to So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to work on the outside until the summer when the river's a lot lower and we get in there.
Yeah.
The cement's just starting a bit to wash.
You may need to put some
away.
in the back, eh?
Yeah.
You want smaller
Stone.
Sorry, say again?
You're looking for a stone which will either go from there to there or from there to there, probably from there to there. So,
To bridge that,
bridge that gap.
rest on that piece of slate.
Bridge that gap with Cadbury Snap. Do you remember that? Cadbury Snap. This one might be a nice one. Let's have a look. It's a bit of an odd shape. Yeah, that'll do.
So this is mostly the local granite. Lots of local granite.
Yeah, it's all granite. There we are.
That
I'm going
bit
to use
of
that
slate
one.
was somewhere else.
Well, if I can find a bigger one, I will.
Bigger block.
What we got? Your slate could be.
Slate. So just washing these ones in the river. The flowing Levada.
A little bit longer, but that's all right.
You want to blow 2 slates in one go.
Yeah.
You want to blow all your slates at once.
Rounded. You see, this is why they didn't. First of all, they didn't have cement really, and also all the stones are round, so you use up too much cement.
That's biggie. Oh, great shape. Oh.
Use that. Got some good weight, but I haven't got enough cement, so.
Okay, so
Mortar.
we need to go and mix a bit more
Yeah.
mortar, and we're setting this one, which is just the right size and shape, and it'll bridge over that piece of slate.
That's right.
And then just building up the wall in the corner, near this corner of the Levada.
Some rubbish in the back there. So, have you got any tiles in the water there? I can grab. That piece, let me just grab it. I'll get it.
Oh,
These are good fillers, you know.
alright.
Ah,
Do you want me to do that? Do you want me to mix it?
You have to put your mask and then etc.
we started from here, this hole, and I've got, we've done like a quarter of a square metre, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's alright, it's acceptable.
So this is the repair to the wall of the Levada. Stones that came out of the river or came out of the Levada, or
Yeah,
they were on the wall of the
side
Levada
of the
already.
Levada collapsed into the water, including them, those ones there. We've managed to move them out. I want to bring them back up. The water is really wet now because it's raining. Alright. that. That's the one.
So that's nice and flat.
Yeah,
Maybe
and
leaning away a bit.
Yeah, leaning slightly back. I'm not worried
Leaning
about
back.
points in the face. It's all going to be done another time. What it does, it gives me a good platform to put another big stone on. But as
Yeah.
you can see, we already need more rubble behind
Yeah.
to build up the ground. We're making
Yeah.
the bedrock, if you like, replacing the bedrock. But we have time for lunch, I think.
Yeah.
Let's just try and put one more in here. I'm very happy with that. It's right. What I need is a stone the size of a saucer. So let's have a look.
Flattish.
Something like that. You know what I mean? Just do something like that. It just fills in that gap. Just get some scavenge a bit of this. It's not rocket science, but it needs a little bit of thought. There we are. When we come back after lunch, we fill that in.
Yeah.
We'll get a big stone with a flat bottom, plonk it on there. Get it. I think by the end of the day, we can get like that.
Okay.
The next big stone can come onto this. And once you key in a stone onto something like that, it starts getting very strong. You know, at the moment we built a freestanding wall, if you like.
Yeah.
You know, and you could get that bar in there, you could smash it up very easy. Once it's keyed into this, and by tomorrow it'll be dry, that'll be great.
Where's the force on that wall? The load is probably holding back. The load will be coming from the earth.
Well, in
It's got to
reality,
retain the earth.
in reality, there's no outward pressure on this bank. It's going down. It's not like you're not holding up the side of it. It's already been built once, remember?
Yeah.
So it's not the natural rock. That house is pushing down. I'm not worried about, and this tree will be here for years, this tree. Anyway, lunchtime, I think.
Okay.
Which is a nice thought.
Yeah.
Nice to see them in March, isn't
So
it?
here we are, March the 21st, I think. The strawberries growing here. Strawberries ripening up in Alvoco de Serra in Portugal.
Nice. We're getting there.
And is this a peach?
Yeah, no.
Peach,
Yes, I imagine it is. We've got an
peach
almond
tree
somewhere.
and the
You
peach
see,
tree
Marina
blossoming.
says we have got an almond.
I'm going to focus right.
We have to wait a minute.
An olive tree with some marigold-like flowers. They are. What are those orange?
Marigolds.
Oh, they are marigolds.
Calendulas, yeah.
Calendulas.
Calendula, yeah, and they have it along to attract the insects there rather than. But
Yeah.
they just grow wild.
They grow wild.
In here, they're growing wild, yeah.
Oh, right. Cool. And this is
Well,
another
I didn't plant veg.
peach tree, I think, with the pink blossom here.
I think so.
Oh, wait.
Not much difference.
Well, no.
Peach and almond are very similar.
Mm.
Very similar fruits, very similar trees. All
Yeah.
the same family. These pieces from it.
So,
It's not brilliant constructional timber, really.
so this is the filling in the gap with a load of hardcore made of broken tiles, bits of concrete, tamping them down with a steel bar, and we've dumped a load of soil, of low grade soil and sand.
We call it
We're going to
entulio.
Tulio.
Yeah, builder's rubble, builder's waste.
Studio, and so eventually this will raise the level of this so we can walk through on the level, and there'll also be a raised bed right where that tree stump is, right underneath that, where that really big boulder is.
Yeah.
Well,
we're going to move that.
that boulder. You're going to move that when?
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
Once this is level, we'll roll that on top of the wall. It might be the top of stone, you know. It won't be so hard if this is level. Roll.
Okay, let's get on with it. And there you can see the Levada's here, but the main river flows just behind these trees here. See it's flowing downhill, down the valley, down the valley.
It's got the ear top. Big ones, that's quite a nice thing. And then tomorrow or whatever I can put one like that. Like that, you know.
Yeah. Looking good.
The great thing about building as well, that's the one, is that you start using up all the stones, all the mess, you know, it starts to get rid of it. You get more room.
I like the way it looked over there. It was a bit messy. I didn't like the way it looked now.
Yeah, I bet it's skinny. Yeah, I understand that. Right, a bit more water.
That looks good.
Huh?
Preciso mais cimento, preciso mais argamassa, morteiro.
Well, let's see if I can also buy. So what is cement?
In the compost bin itself.
Oh, you know I can't do that.
John can get it.